Happy New Year! It's 2021 and I feel absolutely nothing. I must say, am I the only one who feels some type of way, feeling quite optimistic about this new year? Because we all got super excited when 2020 turned up, and I guess 2020 had the last laugh. Well, I don't know, but I just feel like, let's just take it slowly. I'm not one to come here with negative vibes, and I thought, do you know what? I wasn't feeling well. I was run down, burnt out and everything. So I thought, no, here's what, go back, recoup, and you can come back with a positive energy to spread the love of sewing, which is the whole point of this channel. So I'm really pleased to be back, and I have so many plans for the channel. Well, currently I'm actually making a white blouse. I was making this white blouse and I thought, here's what, switch on the camera and speak to the people. So I decided to make a Bakerloo blouse for myself after my co-hosts on the podcast. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And we decided to take on a challenge to make something using one sewing pattern. So we all got ourselves the Bakerloo sewing pattern and created one. And I absolutely loved my white version of it. But guess what happened? It got stained in the wash, and I've got yellow patches all over it. So I've decided to get some yellow dye. It will become a yellow top. But then I really love the idea of having a crisp white blouse. So I'm making another one for myself. But my sister-in-law saw me wearing that in a photo I sent to her, and she was like, I'll pay you anything. And I thought, come on, I'll just make you one and I'll post it to you. So that's what I'm making. I've also got it in this fabric, and it's got these speckles on it. But I will be super careful this time, because this is the last of this fabric that I have, because I'm using the other half of it. I used it to make a blouse for myself, but I got careless and my husband put it in the wash, and all the colour got damaged. So the other top is colourless, and I have to be extremely careful with this one and hand wash it. This will be a short sleeve one. Then I have this fabric here from Craft Cotton Company, and this here. So this fabric has leopards or cheetahs. I think they're cheetahs or leopards, I'm not sure. Yeah, and that's the pattern. But I'm going for a contrast fabric on the inside and on the ruffles. So I'll have this and this. I'm combining two fabrics to create the blouse. The next thing that I have on my plan, I am finally getting on to create myself a Dior inspired coat. I planned to make it last year, but life just took over and I just couldn't do it. So I'm ready to make it now. I will be making it using some red wool fabric. I already have a gold belt that I will be pairing with it, so I'm excited about that. Now, there's this pattern that's been making the rounds, well, for the past 2 years, and I've only just got myself a copy, and it's this one here by Friday Pattern Company, and it's the Wilder gown. So I have a few fabrics earmarked for this Wilder gown. I've got this one here that I bought from Lamazi Fabrics, and based on my experience making this dress, if I enjoy making it, I might make another one, because that's normally my style of creating. If I create something and I enjoy the process, I most definitely would make another one. I don't normally make a lot of commercial sewing patterns. I mostly make mine, but once I find a sewing pattern that I really like, I just go for it and I make over and over again into different styles. The last plan that I have, this plan might not be executed this month, but I have this plan for whenever it happens this year, and I will be creating my first pair of jeans. And I will be sharing how I get on creating these different items, especially the jeans and the coat. I haven't made a pair of jeans since I did the sewing bee, and I think I was scarred after making the jeans under, you know, a limited amount of time. So I think I'm ready to break that fear and make one for myself. I haven't decided what fabric I will be using. It will most definitely be a blue stretch fabric, because I think this is meant to be a stretch fabric with at least 2% lycra. I was actually able to achieve the goal that I had for myself last year, which was to not buy any more items of clothing. So I've not actually bought anything for myself that is a shop bought or ready to wear item of clothing. And actually, do you know what? I'll pat myself on the back for that, but I would also want to continue making things that aren't items of clothing, like my favorite things, accessories, and, you know, headbands. So this year, I know, you know, it's so hard to make plans, but I have decided that I actually would like to make shoes again. Sometime 2 years ago, and here on the channel, you would have remembered my journey making these shoes. I've decided that I want to try it again because I really enjoyed the experience, and I would love to share the journey here. So I will be booking myself on to do a shoemaking course, but it'll be an online experience this time because the last one was in person and I would like to do it online. I want to become a bit more into my interior decoration. I prefer making clothes, but I mean, sometimes it's okay to push ourselves out of our comfort zone. So I want to try to create some, you know, abstract wall art using fabric or using paper. I'm not sure yet. I've got these ideas of things that I would like to create to decorate little corners around my home. So I will be sharing those with you anyway to inspire you. So all of these, in addition to our usual 1 yard, 1 meter fabric projects, our ready to wear remaking type of projects, our Ankara series, our fabric shopping when the world is open again, our lifestyle vlogs like everyday life type of vlogs, our craft videos, you know, headbands and all of those. More are going to be coming up here on the channel for you this year, and I cannot wait to share them with you. Thank you to everyone who's bought me virtual coffees. I will leave my coffee link in the description box below, just in case if you want to buy me a coffee. I truly appreciate it. I love listening to you and hearing your feedback, so keep them coming. If you have any ideas about what you would like from the channel, do let me know in the comment section. I've got so many ideas and I've got all these plans, but I'd like to incorporate your ideas as well, so do let me know in the comment section. So I mean, enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to see you very soon. All the very best. Take care.